Hi, this is Arthur Kerr-Mauzy, founder of the Directive Communication Psychology and currently ranked as one of the world's top 10 thought leaders in the leadership category. And I would like to tell you about Fahad and his excellence in applying directive communication psychology, as well as his ability to really transfer and deliver knowledge and implementation to his participants as a trainer. Fahad is amazing. He's personable. He is the kind of person that people connect to almost immediately, and he literally will help your people to improve in their communication, their teamwork, using directive communication psychology, applying his expertise and his vast business experience in order to help you basically improve your productivity and your team's effectiveness. This is Arthur Kerr-Mauzy wishing you great success.